Hi guys, got a quick recording for you. Talk about airframe systems, and this is week 10. I've changed the dates a little bit because just like you, I have to deal with deadlines also. So the class is going out on starting Wednesday, and you will have until Tuesday at midnight, and that's July 21st to complete these assignments. So I tried to make this as easy as possible. Here's what we got for this week. We have reading, and the reading is attached here. It's on fuel tanks. It's pages 18 to 23. I will have a lecture. Please show up for the lecture. The lecture will be Wednesday at 2 p.m. on Microsoft Teams, and that is in the AMT150 systems team. Okay, so reading is the first thing you got to do. The second thing is there's two assignments for this week. One is the discussion board, and the discussion board is which is better, removable bladder tanks or integral tanks. Easy for me to say. All right, those types of fuel tanks are in this week's reading, and they will be discussed at the lecture. And if you need more help with that, look at the lecture. This will be recorded and available on Microsoft Teams. So you can look at the lecture and you can review our discussion on bladder cells and integral tanks. So what you need to do for the discussion board is you will create a thread and you'll say which is better. I think bladder tanks are better because of these reasons or whatever. And so you need to answer both questions, and you need to read some other students' posts, respond to at least two. All right, that will get you full credit. This is due by Tuesday night at 11:59. That's a minute before midnight. So Wednesday, Cinderella, Wednesday morning, the stagecoach turns into a pumpkin, right? Okay, the second thing you have to do is there is a quiz, and the quiz is ASA questions, and they go right along with this week's reading. So the questions are, you can use your ASA app to help you answer these questions. They're drill and practice questions. What's the purpose of a fuel tank vent? All right, that's question 8720. So you can look at these and these questions. You can take this thing as many times as you want if you want to improve your score. This also is due by the end of, let me get rid of this. This is due by Tuesday, 1 minute before midnight. Same thing. So everything in this week is due then. Come to the Wednesday 2 p.m. Class, and you can ask questions and find out all kinds of stuff. To get a hold of me, call me, text me, email me. You know how to get a hold of me, and we'll be doing some labs next week for inspections class. Check your announcements. In fact, check your announcements every week. Even if you don't do the assignments, even if you're running behind, check the announcements section of every class you have, and that will keep you in touch with what you've got to do. Have a good week.